My name is Mori and I'm the owner of Fresh Farm here in Tupelo. The farm here has been a dream in the making, and I love having people out here. The farm is both a flower and herb farm, and I love to incorporate my fresh herbs in any of the arrangements or cuttings we do here. And the space we're in here is my dream house, my greenhouse, and this is the place that I have found the most joy and reward in what I'm doing here. And I love having people here to gather for a meal or for a class and just to enjoy being out in nature and using some of the elements that I've gathered from the farm, whether it be dried flowers or fresh flowers, or trying to learn a new craft or trade, whether it be candle pouring or concrete mixing to make pumpkins. It just has endless possibilities. The windows I have found anywhere from Memphis to Pensacola, Florida, to surrounding counties. My doors I found locally. I would say, as far as the structure of the greenhouse, I love the open space here because it lets me feel like I'm still outside even though I'm inside. And it seems to somehow welcome creativity. Just gives you a time to dream. And as far as the functionality of the greenhouse, I absolutely love that it allows a large number of people to gather together. I think for the future, what I see and what I hope will come true is that more people will come and gather and have time to dream and maybe let it ignite something in them that they can start something on their own that is a dream of theirs. You can find me on social media as Fresh Farm Tupelo on Instagram and Facebook.